beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am ArneishaNicole, and today I have a little tutorial video, I guess, for you guys. So the headband wig craze has been, taken all over YouTube, Instagram, everywhere. So I decided to pick one up. I was scrolling on FridayNightHair.com, and girl, did you know they had a clearance section? So in the clearance section, I found me a headband wig, period. It was $29.99, so 30, okay? And I got her in a 1B. So let's just get into the cap construction, honey. It's a cap. It's a cap, and that's it. And that's just that on that. It has a headband. It's like an elastic headband. It does have some stretch, but it is stiff, so it's like it'll hold to your head. So it's basically just, tracks sewn in on this little cap. It has no combs, so no combs, boo-boo. But when you put it on your head, it's pretty snug. It's pretty snug on my head, but it was definitely comfortable. So it was big head friendly. So you get 10 to 12 inches of wavy hair with this unit. So let's get into the pros, honey. She is lightweight. She is easy to style. She is super affordable if you don't want to spend a bulk of your money on the human headband wigs that are out. And she's big head friendly. I mentioned that. The luster on her is great. It's not too shiny. It may come off shiny on my video because of my ring light, but it's not too shiny. So the cons, it didn't have any combs or adjustable straps, but if you wanted to, you could always add an elastic band, and I would suggest adding some bobby pins for a little more security. But other than that, girl, it's all right. And she's a little thin, but it's not to the point where you like bald head, ho shit, get it, bitch. Anyway. So right here, I'm just showing you guys a few styles. You could wear her with the headband as is, but I'm just throwing on a headband from Dollar General. It was a Dollar Girl. You could throw on any type of headband you want. You could put it up in a little messy bun. Mine wasn't perfect, but it is what it is. And you could put it in a low ponytail. This is good for going shopping. If you are a beginner, you want to start wearing wigs, but you don't want to do the lace and all that kind of stuff. This is definitely good if you don't want to spend a lot of money on a human one and you want to start out with a synthetic one. So you guys, I definitely suggest this unit. And once again, this is the headband wig in the style GLS 162 in a 1B from Friday Night Hair. So yeah, go get it, and thank you guys so much for watching.